in and relax. Just here and drop that arm and you're just gonna let it go. Okay, what happened here?
Oh, I think it's when I lose the flow to my arms is what is causing all of these, like
when you have numbness coming from your
Yeah.
neck going down to the arms.
yeah, I've been having hip pain too, and it's been causing numbness in my legs. And I'll just be
Yikes.
laying like this in bed, completely flat,
And still getting the numbness.
completely numb, painfully numb.
Okay, what's top of priority though right now? What hurts the most?
My neck and shoulder,
Which shoulder?
my left shoulder.
Left shoulder is worse than right shoulder?
Yeah, most of the time.
Okay. During lifting or
During nothing.
just nothing?
I don't normally feel things when I'm actively doing stuff because I'm trying not to hurt myself.
Okay.
So I'm focused on that.
Let me just check some strength here. Strength test. We're going to check your deltoid and then your rotator cuffs. Push up right here. Resist, resist, resist. Okay, that's a little sloppy there. Coracobrachialis. Is that pinching right there?
A little bit.
Okay, push up right here. Hold. That one's holding pretty good. You feel it pinching there?
It just feels like it won't go over there.
Push your wrist against my hand right here. That's pretty strong. It hurts though?
I felt it up in my neck.
Aha.
I don't know if you're supposed to.
No. Bring your chin down.
Okay.
Do it again. Do you still feel it?
No, just all the way to my shoulder, and it's
Got
not
it.
there this time.
Push back right here. That one feels good. Push against my hand right there. All your rotator cuffs are solid, so the actual capsule is solid. Push up here. But then the big muscles start just breaking down immediately. So let's go ahead and go face down. Let's check the alignment there. Okay, short right leg. Okay, which one's compressing the back more?
And the right one.
So these are the ribs right in here, both sides that are hanging up that scapula. And so the scapula can't get in the proper position to anchor the GH joint, the shoulder joint. Oh, we got all kinds of stuff to work on, don't we? Right there, upper cervical spine. C5, C6, that's what we're gonna open that up, those nerve channels down the arm, strengthen up that deltoid. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a deep breath in and relax. Thank you. All right. How'd that feel?
Nice.
It was nice.
It was.
It was nice. Okay, let's
It
have a
hurts when you
seat.
put your fingers in.
Okay, I'll try not to jab my fingers too much up the area. You're gonna interlace your arm here. Drop this arm,
Okay.
bring this down. We're gonna get right on those upper ribs here and drop that arm and you're just gonna let it go and relax. Good. All right. Let's get the other one here. Bring that down. And bring your chin back. Relax there. There it is. Nice. Okay, lie on your back at the top. Come up a little bit higher there. Thank you, Sam. We're gonna clear out the C6 vertebra, lower neck. It's innervating that deltoid, so we're gonna get there we go. and the upper cervical spine. Nice. Okay, we're gonna trap those traps, pull them down and back, and guide the scapulas in a good position. I definitely feel the left hanging up a bit more, so take a deep breath in. Good. Okay, very nice. Let's go ahead and sit up, please. Put your feet flat on the ground. Now I want to anchor both GH joints in a good position here. Thank you. Pull back the scapula, relax the elbow, and push against me. And relax. Sit up nice and tall, and push back. And relax. I think your shoulders camera shy.
I feel like I'm slipping off the table.
Come down a little bit further. Scooch down this way. Sit up nice and tall, and push back. And relax. Bring your chest up in again. Push back. And relax. Okay. Let's go ahead and actually let me recheck that now. So push this elbow up right here. Resist against my hand. Hold. Okay, the deltoid's locking now. Go ahead and bring this one up. Push up against my elbow here. Okay, that one's really strong. Are you getting any neck stuff while I did that one? Okay, great. Let me just stabilize that. Bring your chin down and push your head back. Sit up taller. And relax. Okay, let's just shake it out. How's it feeling?
Good.
Yeah?
Solid.
All right.
Which is strange.
Which is
Strange feeling.
It's a good strange though. All right, you're ready to rock.
Great. Thank you.
Have a great day.